First time seeing some of my designs on different types of products, and we're going to do this together. So this first thing here is coasters, and they look amazing. This is the official DWBROODLE logo with that certain yellow that I love. These look really cool. Coasters for the table. They look awesome. I can see that like the printing's a little off. It's pretty good overall. I uploaded some really, really high quality images, so these should be top tier. There's also just a little bit of scuff marks on them, fresh out the package. So I guess we're critiquing Redbubble a little bit today too. See if we want to continue to use them. Let's see what we got next. I don't even know what's in each package, so it's kind of going to be a surprise for me and you. Oh, the socks. All right. Got some Redbubble merch that came with it. These are cute. I'd say I'm not super impressed with the clarity of them, but they are really cute. All right, DWBROODLE official logo socks. This packaging got a little funky in the mail, I can see. Hopefully the product did not get screwed up. Looks like stickers. Okay. Now these look amazing. Oh yeah. Now this came out really good. Okay, so very impressive with the quality of this sticker. This is a huge sticker. These butterflies are actually all separate little stickers from the main sticker, it looks like. This is Flowerfly from the Vibe Knots trading cards. Beautiful, that looks great. This is Melter Skelter. I got a smaller size. Just wanted to check out all the different sizes. Melter Skelter from the Vibe Knots trading cards. This also looks really amazing. Good quality print. And the DWBROODLE, again, logo. See now, yeah, this came out great. There's a little bend in the sticker, but as far as the actual design I uploaded, it looks correct on there, where it looks a little wonky on the coasters. All right, stickers are legit. Next, this is huge. Might not be able to get it all in this video. And this is the backpacks with the DWBROODLE logo. And that looks amazing. Super impressed with that. That looks great. This is a gym bag style. This looks so cool. All right, so that's awesome. Looks really good. And then this is the tip, like a regular backpack. Another Redbubble sticker from them. And this is funny because the eyes look, and this looks like the mouth to the eyes. These look really nice too. And it seems like a pretty legit backpack. Yeah, I think these both look awesome. I would have liked the yellow, a slight darker yellow. You can see probably the difference there. I think this is more towards the official logo yellow, but these still look really nice. I used the same exact color code on all of them, so it's weird. But, yep. I love this gym bag. I'm probably keeping that for myself. Awesome.